Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shunit and you are watching Color Tubes. And today I am going to share with you an acrylic painting of Lord Buddha. So watch this video till the end. I am using acrylic color here and it is very fast drying paint, so you have to mix the color as soon as possible. And you can spray a little bit of water on the color palette, then the color will take time to dry. I know the question may come to your mind that what is abstract painting and what does it mean? I say for them, abstract art is an art that doesn't attempt to represent an accurate depiction of a visual reality, but using of shapes, colors, forms and gestural marks to achieve its effect. And abstract painting is considered one of the best forms of expression. It allows its creator to freely communicate visually without the constraint of forms found in objective reality. In the subtitle section, I have given all the color shades that I have used here, so that you can find the right color shade. Also, you can use any other combination of color shades in the background if you want. And now it's time to reveal the topic of my next video. And in my next video, there is a stone art for you. To watch this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon that when I upload the video, you get the notification. Share my video with your friend and your family members and watch more art videos, and let's continue to grow more art channels in India. Because if we look for art channels on YouTube, mostly we find foreign YouTubers. There are very few Indian YouTubers who have named their art channel. So watch more art channels, share art videos and create art channels, and I will definitely bring you a lot of videos related to Indian art. So guys, take a look at today's color tube tricks in the pop-up. If you are still watching my video, I am pretty sure that you like my artwork. So don't forget to subscribe my channel before leaving my video. It will mean a lot to me guys and be a part of my journey and my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I put a new video. So guys, if you dislike my video or any kind of doubts, you can comment me and follow me over Facebook and Instagram. The link will be in the description box down below. Do try this with your own sense. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and stay connected. Bye guys.